Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, as usual, I'm happy to have you. My name is Elena Visas and I do videos about moving to Germany as a student or as a worker, just travel lifestyle, and I'm getting into vlogging. So today I'm actually going to be showing you guys a step-by-step process of applying to a university in Germany. And this is so important to me, and this is so dear to my heart, because I want to show people, especially back at home, that you can do this all by yourself. You don't need anyone, or you don't need to be paying ridiculous amounts of money to anyone to apply for admission for you or to help you out with the process. Of course, we always need help now and then, but yeah, I just want to show you that it's also very easy. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So this video is divided into three parts. We have like before applying, what you're supposed to know before applying, during the application process, what are you supposed to do, and after the application, what should you do. Before applying, the first thing you should know is obviously what program you want to study. Maybe you don't know exactly what you want to study, but you know what field you want to be in. Maybe you want to be in the field of arts or social sciences or humanities or science or I don't know, engineering, stuff like that. So you just have to know at least the general picture of what you want to do, and that should be the first step. And the second thing you should know, obviously, is your qualifications, like your GPA. Obviously, if you're applying for a master's or your advanced level qualification, depending on if you're applying for a bachelor's, you should also have a very good functioning email address. I will advise you to create a completely different email address for application processes, because that way you don't have too many emails coming from everywhere that fills up your inbox. And so you should at least have a good functioning email address. And another thing that might be helpful for you to know is the town you are applying to. Like if you know exactly, I want to be in Berlin, or I want to be in Bonn, or I want to study in Frankfurt, that can also be good, because it narrows down your search to like a shorter, like you don't need, it narrows it down and it's not as broad anymore, so you're more aware of exactly what you want to do. But it's not important to know it, it's just helpful if you know it. So that's before applying. Actually, when you want to start applying, the first thing is just to go to Google and search for master programs or a bachelor programs in Germany. And this search would depend on if you are wanting to study in English or in German. So if you want to study English, you should know the keywords. You should make sure you put like English bachelor's programs in Germany or English master programs in Germany, and you're going to have a whole list of search results. And if you know the location of a university, if you want, you say University of Bonn, University of Hamburg, whatever. And yeah, so you just need to know the keywords. If you know the exact degree program you want to study, you can search by the exact degree program. I will link down some important links where you can find easy bachelor programs and master programs to get into. And you can also check out my previous videos where I talk of some easy bachelor programs and master programs to get into in Germany, and all of them are in English. So right now I'm taking you to my laptop, and we are going to do the process step by step. So now we are in stage 2 of the application process. We already know everything we need to know. So the first thing we are going to do is search on Google for I'm going to just assume you're applying for a master's program, because I want to show you the direct example of maybe my own program. So the first thing we are going to do is just going to search for English master programs in Germany. So we do that. So it's already in my search history because I obviously already did some small research before doing this video. So we are now on the Google page, and we can see so many results that have popped up, and all you have to do is maybe click the first one. If you want, you can click this first link and you see where it leads you to. So here is a master portal where you can see they give you like a general overview of what you need to do to apply for a program in Germany, the general documents you might need, because this might change depending on the program you're applying for. And yeah, also you go down, you see this is like my best website for searching for programs, and I already have it here open. It's mygermanuniversity.com. so I'm going to show you exactly how to search to get the program you want from there. And you can also check the DAT page. Here is the DAT page where it's already open also, and here it's like it's so easy to do, guys. So let's go to mygermanuniversity.com and let's just go to Study Finder. On Study Finder, you have like already so many programs that are popping up, and these are programs that are just in different fields. And what's good with this is that we are just going to search for the program we want to study, like even if we're not sure of what we want. But you can see there are different tabs. You can see search by subject, search by program name, search by university, and search by city, so you can filter everything the way you want. Also here on the left you have application, so you decide if you want for the summer semester or for the winter semester of the next year, without admission restrictions, applying through via uni assist. So there's like so many different ways you can filter and narrow down your search, so it's not like too much information and you're confused and stuff like this. Even through by finance, it's like, what are you ready to pay for per semester for tuition fees? Are you ready to pay up to 1,500 or 3,000 or 5,000, or you want a university with no tuition fee? So all of that applies. You just search and put in your preferences, and then you get you're going to get the results. So let's search by let's say subject. The truth is I know what I want already, but so let's just search by, let's say, social sciences, and because that's my field. And yeah, social sciences, I don't know the program I want to study, we're just guessing that. So you already say it says show 388 results, and then I want a master program, so I come here and I click on master, and I have only master programs showing up. So right now we have all the types of programs showing up, but I want a program where I don't pay any tuition fees. So we go to no tuition fees, and right away it's like it narrows it down again to 179 results. So we are at least getting somewhere. We want a program that will be starting in the winter semester of next year, because this is already getting towards the end of 2021. So you click on 2022, 2023, and again you see it's narrowed down again to 164. We can still go further if we want maybe a top 100 university, top 250 universities worldwide through the university rank. I don't mind. German education is really good, and I don't mind whatever universities here. And now here we have the program features. I want a program that is taught only in English. I'll select English only, and it's a beginning in the winter semester. You see it narrows it down to 90, and you see that you keep getting closer. Requirements, you want to know German skills, yeah, no IELTS or TOEFL. So yeah, we don't click anything there. So we're at 85 results. So rather of the bed, you can start like searching for the program you want. You just start looking, and maybe you see a name that's interesting, and you say, oh, let me check this, or let me check this other one, and let me check out this other one. Like you just keep scrolling, there's like so many results. So I already know what I want, so I'm going to go to the previous page, not to make this video too long, to click on the program that I want to apply for, which is this program, a Masters of Arts in Analysis and Design of Social Protection. You click on it. So you have the general information about the university, what you're going to study: political science, pedagogy, educational sciences. It starts in the winter semester. It's without admission restriction. You apply directly at the university, and the study mode is on campus. It's a period of 2 years, and it starts in the winter semester. The application deadline is the 31st of May. That's for applicants with a degree in Germany or that are currently in Germany. It's a free tuition fee program. So I get the qualification requirements here. You get the language requirements here. That I know about this program, and they don't require German. And yeah, you get the application document. So if you check everything here and you still just want more detailed like information, you can click on the course website. It takes you directly to the course website, and now you're here on the website of the master programs, and you can read more like detailed information. You can get more detailed information and everything. And now you can even apply for scholarships, that scholarships and stuff like that. And yeah, you even get the flyer of the program, where everything is like a fact sheet, right? Like everything is there. Now all about applying. You click here, and in different programs you have different ways that will describe. They'll be like, yeah, go through the application process or apply here or something. Just click on that, and when you click on that, you come to this other page. There's that scholarship. So currently it's not opened, so that is why we will not be able to like apply. Actually, the online application portal for the following winter semester opened January 11th, so that's we cannot go into the application portal now. But you can see here, for those that maybe want to apply for the DAT scholarship, they're already applying, and I think it's even already done. You get everything, so it's going to be the same thing with you, not with you when you're applying for the normal program. It's the same thing. You get the details of what you need to provide: motivation letter, CV, copies of previous degrees, research proposal, offers. So there's like everything's explained detailedly, so there's nothing like complicated. Normally many universities are required to create some kind of account on their online application portal, so you can just if it was open, you say yeah, online application. So they'll be like, please click on yes if you are an EU resident. So you just follow you follow the instructions. Definitely, maybe you're not an EU resident. For those who have already submitted, you may check the status here if you have forgotten your passport. So if you have not yet submitted anything, you normally it was going to show you like create an account, and you just create an account. And when you create an account, all you need to do is remember your user ID and your password and stuff like this, and this account will be linked to your personal email address. So you have to, as I said, have a functional email address. So basically that's just it, and you just follow the instructions, create an account, and then the next thing is just to put together your documents. So when you have the list of documents that are required, which will always be stated clearly, like you can see here, you now put together your documents. You look at the you have to make sure you look at the requirements and see if you meet up with the standards that are asked by the program. Sometimes you don't meet up to that, but it's okay to still apply, because yeah, you might be lacking or for some reason not able to compete, but yes, still apply. You never know. And then that's it. It's like it's as easy as that. There's nothing complicated, and it's the same thing if you go to the website, where you just course type you choose is a bachelor's, master's, PhD, cross-faculty, graduate and research, prep school. There's like even many more options. You select the field of study: agriculture, engineering, language, laws, economics. You select that. Course language: German only, English only, German and English other. So it's like so many. If you know the location, you choose the type of institution. Is it a university or University of Applied Sciences like mine, or University of Fine Arts? So it's as easy as that. You just choose and then you just follow the instructions. And that brings us now to the third part of the application. Now you just need to put together your documents. If, for example, maybe you need to take a language test like English or something, you start preparing for TOEFL. If you want to take German language classes, you start taking the German language classes before you even apply for the program. So that's just it. That's what you do during the application. You put your documents together. Yeah, it's as easy as that. Then after the application, what you have to do is wait. You just wait. You always check your email address, because sometimes if they're lacking a document, they'll send you an email like, please can you send us this document, can you do this and do that. And oh, something I forgot to mention during the application process: if your documents are, you need to certify your documents, then that's something you should be doing while taking your German language classes and preparing for the application process. And so you just wait. That's the third stage. You wait. You check your emails regularly and you make sure like you don't miss any emails from them. And if maybe there was going to be like an interview or something, you start preparing for the interview. You study have an in-depth knowledge of the program and what you want to do in the future, what career prospects you think this program can offer you and stuff like that. So basically that's it. And if you're not, they always tell you when they will give you results, and if maybe the deadlines are not reaching or have passed and you've not gotten any feedback from them, it's okay to write to them. There's always a coordinator, a program coordinator for the program. It's okay to write to them and tell them, oh, I've not yet gotten feedback, can I know why? And if they've given you feedback and they're like, okay, we are not taking you for this and this, it's still okay. You have the right to ask them like, why? I thought I was qualified enough, but obviously in a polite way. I would like to know what disqualified me, what mistakes I made, so I can correct them maybe for the next year. And you have the right to send an email, ask about that, and they will reply you. So that's basically it. It's as easy as that. I just want us to be able to do this on our own and not think that it is rocket science. It's as easy as that. And I hope this you find this helpful, and I hope that yeah, I help somebody out there. So with that, guys, we have come to the end of the video. I want to stop the video here. I hope it's not too long, and we'll see in our next video and in my next video. And thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe as usual, and bye.